the shoulder rail. I square my breath and will not fail. Hard years leaned on a working back. I laid fresh ties on a stubborn track. When the checks ran thin and nights ran long, I kept my hands on the faithful song. If the headwind leans on what I've earned, I feed the forge I've always burned. On the afterwind line I hold my way, bolt after bolt till the dark gives way. If thunder swears I'm built to fold, I brace the frame and don't let go. Down a glass in a mercury rain, I count my wins inside the strain. Every scar a compass true, point me through what I must do. If the crosswind shows my shoulder tonight, I set two stakes and set them right. On the afterwind line I raise my name, from rust to dawn I keep the flame. No storm can buy the will in me, still burning, still me. Still me. When the cloud bank splits and the miles run free, I step ahead where I'm meant to be. Still standing, still me.
Power lines hits in a silver rain. I square my breath and take the strain. Static on the dial, bills on the board. I learned to swing a humble sword. When luck ran thin and nights got loud, I held my lane and faced the cloud. If the noise comes clawing at my name, I tune it out and feed the flame. I'll break the static, cut it clean, carve a road through the in-between. If thunder swears I'm built to fold, I brace my frame and take control. Dire light in a mirror rain, I count my wins against the pain. Every scar a compass light, point me through the longest night. Let the crosswind test my steel, I'll set my jaw and hold the wheel. I'll break the static, raise the line, turn blacked out miles to something fine. No storm can buy the will in me, still burning, still me. Everybody, still burning, still me. Roll, roll, roll. As the sky turns clear and the road runs free, I'll walk ahead where I'm meant to be. Still running, still me. Oh, oh, oh.
climbs a scaffold spine. I square my shoulders to the line. Long nights paid in borrowed heat. I learned to stand on callous feet. When wages thin and clocks ran rough, I tuned my pulse to something tough. If the headwind leans on what I own, I plant my boots like set in stone. This working wind at sunrise calls my name, turns rust and rain into a brighter flame. If thunder beds all break in two, I lift the beam and see it through. Coffee steam on a steel gray rail, I count my wins against the hail. Every scar a mile I keep, every fall a promise deep. Let the crosswind bend my frame, I'll brace it twice and sign my name. This working wind at sunrise clears my sight. Bolt after bolt, I make it right. No storm can buy the will in me. Still burning, still me. And when the yard goes golden clean, I'll walk ahead through what has been. Still rising, still me. Pink dawn climbs a broken sign. I square my shoulders to the line. Lean years bed with a winter jaw. I laid new ties on busted draw. When cash ran thin and clocks ran mean, I set my breath in the in-between. If the headwind leans on what I've earned, I feed the forge I've always burned. At the county line of rising I stand, bolt after bolt with a callous hand. If thunder swears I'm bound to fall, I brace the frame and don't let go. Neon ghosts on a rain-wet pane, I count my wins inside the strain. Every scar a compass true, pointing me through what I must do. If the crosswind rocks this frame tonight, I'll brace it twice and set it right. At the county line of rising I rise, from rust to dawn beneath these skies. No storm can buy the will in me. Still burning, still me. salt wet haze, I square my stance for working days. Pile driver thumps on the distant pier, I tune my pulse and kill the fear. When wages thin and storms talk loud, I hold my line and face the cloud. If the gale writes doubt across my name, I set my jaw and feed the flame. Under harbor anvil light I'll stand, beat rust to shine with a calloused hand. If thunder swears I'm bound to fold, I raise the beam and don't let go. Winds sing and the gulls wheel low, I count my breath and keep it slow. Every scar a compass true, pointing me through what I must do. Let the crosswind test my steel, I'll brace it twice and keep the wheel. Bolt after bolt I claim these skies. No surge can buy the will in me, still burning, still me. When the fog draws back and the day runs clean, I'll walk that key where I've never been, still rising, still me.